Are you tired of spending hours in writing scripts for your YouTube videos? Do you want to generate fresh and unique ideas that will keep your audience engaged? Are you a content creator looking for a faster and easier way to make your YouTube videos? Introducing ChatGPT-3, a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. With ChatGPT-3, you can generate ideas, outline, or even the full script based on the prompts you provide, saving you a lot of time and efforts when it comes to creating content. In this video, I will show you how ChatGPT-3 can revolutionize your content creation process and help you to create more engaging and interesting videos for your audience. So, if you want to shake up your content creation process, keep watching. Hi, welcome to this video on how to use ChatGPT-3 to make YouTube videos faster. If you are a content creator, you know how time consuming it can be to come up with new ideas and writing script for your video. But what if I told you there is a way to speed up the process and create more content faster? Enter into the space of ChatGPT-3, a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. In this video, I will explain what ChatGPT-3 is, how it works, and how you can use it to make your YouTube videos faster. So, what is ChatGPT-3? It's a language model that uses machine learning to generate human-like text based on the prompt you provide. It's called ChatGPT because it was initially designed to generate responses in a conversation settings. But it can be used in a wide range of text generation tasks, including writing script for your YouTube videos. One of the biggest benefits of ChatGPT-3 is that it can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to script writing. Instead of starting from the scratch and trying to come up with new ideas, you can use ChatGPT-3 to generate new ideas and outline for your scripts. All you have to do is to provide a prompt, such as the topic of the video, and ChatGPT-3 will generate a list of potential ideas and subpoints for you to choose from. For example, let's say you want to create a video on the topic 5 tips for better time management. You can use ChatGPT-3 to generate outlines for your video, like set specific goal for each day, use a planner or calendar, and make a to-do list. This can save you a lot of time and brain power, as you won't have to spend as much time brainstorming all of the ideas on your own. But ChatGPT-3 can do more than just generate ideas. It can help you to write the actual script for your video. Once you have chosen the ideas you want to include in your script, you can use ChatGPT-3 to expand those ideas and create a more detailed outline. For example, if you want to include the point, use a planner or calendar, you can provide ChatGPT-3 with prompts like explain how using a planner or calendar can help with time management. ChatGPT-3 will then help you to generate a paragraph or two explaining the benefit of using a planner or calendar and how it can help you to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Using ChatGPT-3 in this way can help you to create a more detailed and well-organized script, which can save you a lot of time and make the actual filming and editing process much easier. Another benefits of ChatGPT-3 that it can help you to come up with new and unique ideas for your videos. Because it's a machine learning model, it's able to generate a bulk of ideas and outlines that may not have been occurred to you by your own. This can help you to stand out from other creators and keep your content fresh and interesting for your audience. So, how can you use ChatGPT-3 to write your YouTube video script faster? First, you will need to sign up for an Open API key, which will give you access to the ChatGPT-3 and other language generation models. Then, you can use a tool like OpenAI API Playground to input your prompts and see the text that ChatGPT-3 generates. You can also use a ChatGPT-3 integration in a tools like Notion or Airtable. Now, I will give you some tips to help you improve the quality of content generated with ChatGPT-3. Number 1, review and revise the generated text carefully. ChatGPT-3 can generate a wide range of text, but it's not always relevant or accurate. Make sure to fact check any information that's generated with ChatGPT-3 and revise the text as needed to ensure it fits with the overall tone and style of your content. Number 2, use ChatGPT-3 as a starting point, not a replacement for your own knowledge or creativity. While ChatGPT-3 can generate ideas and text based on the prompts you provide, it is still important to bring your own unique perspective and expertise to your content. Number 3, experiment with different prompts and settings to find the best results. ChatGPT-3 has various settings and options that can affect the quality of the generated text. Number 4, don't rely solely on ChatGPT 3 for all of your content. While it can be a useful tool, it's still important to bring your own ideas and creativity to your content. Mixing in your own ideas with those generated with ChatGPT 3 can help you to create a more diverse and unique pieces of work. Number 5, use ChatGPT 3 in moderation. While it can be a very time-saving tool, it's also important to remember it's just a tool for your content creation toolkit. Use it in moderation and make sure to also put in the effort and hard work to create high quality content. Now I know creating voiceover for your YouTube videos can be time consuming as well as frustrating, especially if you are not a trained voiceover artist. So if you are tired of spending hours in recording and editing voiceover for your YouTube videos, speaktts.com is the perfect solution you have been looking for. This AI text-to-speech tool can generate professional quality voiceover in a matter of minutes, saving you a lot of time and effort while still delivering high quality results. Simply input your script, select your desired voices and language, and the tool will generate a natural sounding audio file for you to use it in your videos. No more spending hours in the recording booth or struggling with audio editing softwares. And the best part, the monthly plan of speaktts.com starts only from $19, making it an affordable option for content creators of all sizes. But if you want to take the full advantage of the power of ChatGPT to create multiple YouTube automation channels, we recommend you to going with the Growth Prime plan, which is just $489 per year. This plan includes additional features and higher usage limits, perfect for those who want to rely on ChatGPT and speaktts.com to create a large volume of content. So don't spend any more time to struggling with voiceover. Try speaktts.com today and see how it can revolutionize your content creation process. In summary, ChatGPT 3 is a language generation model which can help content creators to write YouTube video script faster and more efficiently. It can generate video ideas, outline, or even the full script based on the prompts you provide, saving you a lot of time and effort when it comes to creating content. And with speaktts.com, the AI text-to-speech tool, you can generate professional quality voiceover from your script in just minutes. So why not to give ChatGPT 3 and speaktts.com a try to see how they can revolutionize your content creation process. You will be amazed to see how much time and effort you can save while still delivering high quality results. After you have automated your content creation process with ChatGPT 3 and speaktts.com, you may have saved a lot of time to look for other business opportunities to earn more money as a creative entrepreneur. And if you want to learn about fresh and trending business ideas with ChatGPT to earn thousands of dollars on autopilot, then must check out this video right here. And remember to subscribe and like this video. And as always, remember to have fun and bring your unique personality to your content. After all, that's what makes you to stand out from the rest. Happy creating!